season muna natin ng papamintas. Then I'm gonna use House Club and Cowboy for the taste, and also Leia and Perrins. Seasons with Leia and Perrins, just touch for additional taste. And then Cowboy, just to make sure all the ribs it's coated. More. Okay, and of course, let's put on the other side. No, not yet. Ribs ang gagayakin natin. Magkaibang flavor. Ito is Cowboy. Try natin kung okay siya. So, iwan lang muna natin siya at least 15 minutes. Habang hinihintay natin ang Welcome to Cooking Show. That's the first batch, and yung second batch gagawin ko pa. So, gayakin na natin itong isa. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Masyadong mahangin lang dito, no? From Clubhouse. Ayan, tingnan o. Ito na si Pampa. Kailangan na natin pagkain. Mainit. Alright. So, another 10 minutes again. Ito na itsura niya. Balikan natin ulit. Then, ito, check natin kung pwede na siyang baliktarin. Yeah, sige, baliktarin na natin. So, another 10 minutes again. Napakaganda niya, mga kaibigan. Ito na siya, oh. Oh, very juicy. Okay, balikan natin ulit. Gabby, come here. Come. 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 Come, my boy. Come, my boy. Wow, you're so cute, buddy. You're so cute, buddy. Go to mommy, go. Run. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go outside.
What type of fish is this?
It's a pampano.
So what's down here? What else is down here?
Yeah, I guess it's the function room, and the other side is
That's the party room?
the dining area, I guess. Okay, we're gonna cook now. Maso. Tahong. Ang lalaki ng tahong. Ang gagawin ko sa kanya, grilled tahong. Sorry. Grilled tahong with butter. And garlic. Lots of garlic. Garlic. And some cheese. Thank you guys. Okay. And then lagyan natin ng celery. Kailangan lang natin i-chop ng pinong-pino. Okay, and then imimix lang natin. Same. So ganito lang yung gagawin natin. Kuha tayo ng mix. And then yeah, cover lang natin yung maso. Okay, lalagyan natin ng sauce ang ating grapes. And then salang natin. Sauce. That is. And ito yung isa nating ribs. Kasi magiging juicy to. Juicy ito mamaya. Just cover. Malakpakan siya. Ito na siya. Lakasan lang natin ng konti yung apoy. So, yun. Tapos na natin siya ma-coated ng butter. And then, sasanang na natin siya. Ano siya? So, takpan lang natin siya. Siguro mga 5 minutes. 5 or, yeah, 5 minutes kasi mabilis lang naman maluto yan. Takpan muna natin. Natin yung ating tahong. Oh my god, masarap yan. Yan siya. Balikan natin ulit. Gusto ko sa kanya yung natutusta na yung keso. Okay na pang isa. Check natin. Eto na, sentensyado na. Ito na yung ribs. Pampa. Ito na yung ribs natin.